Cambodia is the second poorest country of the 10 Southeast Asian nations, but some investors are seeing big potential in Cambodia, particularly in the areas of natural resources and infrastructure development. Now, Douglas Clayton is the managing partner of Leopard Cambodia. His Cambodia fund has raised $10 million so far. He is aiming to raise $100 million, and Douglas joins us on the set right now. Douglas, let me start by asking you, second poorest of 10 Southeast Asian nations, not developed, uncertainty in terms of risks, in terms of the political situation. Why are you in there?
I think Cambodia is the most interesting investment opportunity in Asia right now. It's completely overlooked. It lost 40 years of its economic development. Now it's stable again, and it needs everything. And it's very open for business. It's probably the most open economy in Southeast Asia.
Okay. And you've started your first planned investment, a housing project in Siam Reap. With what sort of returns do you think you're going to get from that sort of an investment?
Our forecasts project an IRR of about 60% on this project. We've gotten the land very cheaply there. Mm-hmm. This is typical of the opportunities that you can find in Cambodia because it's so early stage, there's not much competition, mm-hmm. and there is a market now for products and services.
And as far as the Cambodian government is concerned, have they been receptive? I mean, we had a situation, for example, Indonesia, where they're looking at refining some of their mining laws in terms of sharing of the royalties and resources. What has the Cambodian government been doing which is positive, net positive, if you like, for investors?
Cambodia is not a story of betting on future reform. It's already reformed. It's the most open economy. You can own 100% of everything except for land. Mm-hmm. So the government has never reversed its investment-friendly policies. So I think it's a better bet than some of the more advanced countries in that way.
Okay. I mean, in the intro, we talked about natural resources. We talked about infrastructure. Explain what sort of potential does Cambodia have? I mean, what's untapped in terms of, do you have a value, a number on this?
Well, I think there's huge opportunities for Cambodia to become a tourism capital of Southeast Asia because it has Angkor Wat and it has beautiful beaches and colonial cities and casinos. So I think that's one industry that has a lot of growth ahead. Mm-hmm. Another is agribusiness. Cambodia's got a lot of unused land, a lot of cheap labor, water. Mm-hmm. With high commodity prices, Cambodia could be a massive exporter of food in the future.
Okay. That said, though, I mean, I have to ask you here, certainly there are risks involved, given a country like Cambodia. I mean, what's the profile of a typical investor who might want to go into Cambodia? It's not your average Joe, obviously, right? I mean, who are your clients, potential clients right now?
Often they're people that came into places like Vietnam or Russia early, and they saw that by getting in early and taking a little bit more risk, you can make outsized returns. Mm-hmm. And so those are generally the people that understand this opportunity the fastest. Mm-hmm. But otherwise, I think anybody that wants an uncorrelated return, if you're uncertain about the world, mm-hmm. Cambodia is going to grow no matter what happens in the world because it's so early stage.
Okay, and you expect the government to continue market-oriented reforms after the elections in July? No issue?
I don't see the need for many further reforms because it's already it's textbook open economy. Mm-hmm. So I think that will continue. They're very eager to get further investment in.
Okay, Douglas, thank you very much. We'll have to leave it there. That's Douglas Clayton. He is a managing partner of the Leopard Cambodia Fund, which has raised $10 million of a target of $100 million right now.